Hey guys, it's Denny here from Gutierrez Window Tinting, here to explain to you guys the most commonly asked question that we get when explaining the films and what the main difference is between all of the films that we do have here at our shop. So here at our shop, we do offer 4 different films, which is the CS, which is old technology, mainly used for color stable and shading the windows on your car. We also have the HP film. This one is used for heat protection. However, it does provide you with very minimal heat protection. Then we have our XR, which is our first level ceramic, and our XR Plus, which is our multi-layer ceramic. For this one, we do have a tool here specialized for specifically showing you how much heat protection it does provide you with. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with our HP Black. This one would be the 5%. One thing to keep in mind is the lower the shade, the more heat protection it is going to provide you with. So we have it in our HP Black 5. This one does provide you anywhere between 40 to 50% of heat protection. And then apart from that, we also have it in our XR Black 5% as well. This one provides you anywhere between 50 to 60% of heat rejection. And that one would be our first level ceramic. And then apart from this, the highest quality film that we do offer would be our XR Plus. This one comes in the 30% here in our tool, just so you can go ahead and see how much heat protection it does provide you with. It is a 30% shade. It is pretty light, however, it does provide you with even better protection than the XR and the HP film. The darker it is, the more heat protection it does provide you with, and the XR Plus does provide you anywhere between 60 to 71% of heat rejection, depending on which shade you do choose to go with. Outside right now, it does tend to be around 100 to 110 on some days, especially today where it reached the maximum of 113. With this box, you will be able to feel the amount of heat rejection that it does provide you and how beneficial it is to put on your vehicle. So this is explaining the most commonly asked question that we do have. However, if you do have any other questions, concerns, or anything, make sure to leave them down in the comment section or go ahead and DM us some questions to make more videos about educating more of our customers to see what other films you guys would like to see. And remember to look cool and stay cool.